Pythagorean Theorem. The sum of the squares of the two legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. Or you can say that the square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the square of the two sides of a triangle. The simple thing could be so vital in the course of solid mensurations. For the present, we will use it only to find unknown side of a right triangle. You should practice finding an unknown side until you are so skillful at it, and it will make no difference whether the unknown side is a leg or the hypotenuse. So we'll take up an example on this problem. Alright, what you do here is draw first the right triangle. Draw first the right triangle. This one. Draw first the right triangle. That one is x. This one is 2x. This one is hypotenuse, which is the 15 meters. So by Pythagorean theorem, you have that one. The square of these two sides, x squared plus 2x quantity square equals to 15 square. Or x squared plus 4x squared equals to 225. Or you have that one, x squared. This x squared equals to 45. Then x is equals to 6.7 meters. In the other side is 2x. So 2x equals to 2 times 6.7 meters, or simply equivalent to 13.4 meters. So the two sides, so the two sides are x equals to 6.7 meter and 2x equals to 13.4 meters. So this one is one of the uses of the Pythagorean theorem. Sum the square of the two sides. Square of this side plus the square of this side is equal to the square of this hypotenuse.